This conference will now be recorded.
Thanks for waiting, everybody, and thanks for your all kind understanding for not having session yesterday as I was not keeping well. Now, what we was doing on day before yesterday, I was writing on the board about the flow of the the work process of end-to-end transaction flow, right? That is the complete sales cycle. First, we was working on billing cycle. We customize this billing document, customize, and after we complete the customizing of billing cycle, I was writing on the board the end to end sales cycle what we got to see. So kindly wait here. Let me give a minute. Allow me a minute, please. Please wait. Okay. So this is what I was writing at the end of our day before yesterday session after we complete the customizing of various billing document types. So we made this setup, right? After we complete this setup, that is, we customize the order types, we customize the billing types, and we customize the cancellation type, and we all, we bridge the relation among all the document types. So once we are done with this all setup, that is, your order types are done, your billing types was done, your cancellation types was done, because order is base for billing and bill is base for if any cancellation. So everything should go in flow. Understand this point, please. Everything should go in flow. When every purpose is been recognized, organized, then only you get to see the output. So what all to be customized, we have set up all. Now the main point is you all need to understand the execution part, that is output. All right, fine. So, When you speak about output of the module, we customize the complete SD module, yes. Along with that, the key areas of these modules, the complete output of the module is O2C, order to cash. It is all about sales cycle. So for the company Grasim, we're going to see this all process. Now here, the order, the T code is VA01. Delivery transaction T code is VL01N. And the transfer order T code is LT03. And the PGI T code is VL02N. And the invoicing T code is VF01. All right, why I had highlighted here the LT03? Because this is connecting warehouse management. Okay, you had set up the entire process in the database. I mean, in SAP database, we have been set up the entire sales cycle to be executed automation. In this process of automation, we have made the warehouse management movement types connected, which made the stock pickup happen automatically. So how this automation works, you all understood. This process is the latest update because most of the work companies are now on web based. Web based means cloud architecture. So when the company's database is on cloud base, this will work. If the company's database is on virtual system, that means manual operation, even still this will work. Because today every company is reachable to the customers through outlets and through web. Even though you want to buy at least a bottle of milk or water, you can place the order to the apps, you can go to the store and buy. Right? So what all the process you learn, it meets all the latest versions, latest market, job expectation, client requirements. Don't think that you are lagging in something. Okay. The asking pattern you need to understand. If you don't understand anything, just ping me on Skype. I'll guide you how to speak on that. All right. But first, do your R&D. Don't come directly to me. Without doing R&D, even though I tell you also, you may not able to. So please prepare on your own base. At a last situation you're not getting any clarity, then bring it to my notice. I'll throw some light on it. All right. Done. Now let's see how to set up this in the system. So let me go back to the SAP screen. Now first VA01. I repeat one point everybody, what all to be customized, everything should be organized correctly. If anything mess up, you will not get to see the output. మనం చేసిన అన్ని స్టెప్స్ కరెక్ట్గా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తేనే ఇవాళ చూపించే ప్రాసెస్ చేయగలుగుతారు అవుట్పుట్ कोई स्टेप भी गलत हुआ या कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं हुआ आप आउटपुट नहीं देख पाते so it takes some time for you people because if any mistakes you need to trace it out VA01. So what is our order type? Grasim GRA3 and GRAS, the sales organization, and GF G2, enter, and pick the customer ID. Continue. Now, discount. Let me complete that also because we are given for a short time. VK11. It is saying discount missing because the timeline was short when it was executing. Please wait. Okay, now everything is set. VA01. And I pick the customer ID sold party material quantity as 1, for example, and enter my customer ID 700301. Mistakenly, I've taken others. Okay. See what it is saying. Titan 100 is not defined for the sales organization GF. Everything should be given correctly. I given the wrong distribution channel. Okay. VA01. So GO. I think GOR. Let me check once. See, even not GO. We have maintained for GF, G2. Okay, continue. Just wait, please. VA02. Let me check the previous orders. GRAS, everything is fine, but why it is not responding? G, FG2, okay. MM02, let me check once. So what happened? It's been configuration we have done since few days, and in between anything maybe happen. Somebody might have been changed some settings or some fields may not be responding. It's quite common. So when you are unable to see the outputs, don't worry. Just go and check everything is correct or not. See, 2G is a division and it is saying the distribution channel is not maintained, but it is well connected to the same. The plant matching, storage location match. It is maintained for GF and GO, right? So let's see VA01 GF offline store G2 continue GRA1 the customer ID Rasim 100 quantity as 1 enter continue. See, now it is recognizing the same values are given. Sometime if the relevant application, see material application was not somehow supporting. So what I've done, I've gone and opened the material master data. So some of the tables relevant to that application got refreshed. So ఎప్పుడైనా ఏదైనా రాకపోతే just go to that application and reopen it, it will get refreshed. कभी भी कोई भी application respond नहीं किए सो वो application को एक बार दोबारा open कीजिए so that the application content tables will get refreshed. All right. So it's not like nothing can be done. Everything can be done, but with the right process. See, today is what 17th. The product is deliverable on 27th because of number of orders in pipeline what we have been made. So this order turn comes on 27th delivery date. Okay, done. So edit incompletion log. System should say document as complete. All right. Make sure you remember the date of delivery on 27th. Save it. Whatever date it is giving, remember this. This is the first point. So order has been saved successfully. Now VL01N. This is creation of delivery transaction. It picks up the order number just now what we made in the same date. But as on today 10th there is no, I mean 17th there is no delivery schedule. So what happened if I leave with the same date? We'll see that also. So give GRSH the shipping point what we made from where the shipping should be. I'm leaving the same date. Actual delivery date what system was showing? 27th. But I'm leaving today's date only. If I move, it simply throw a message. No schedule lines due for the delivery up to the selected date. అంటే ఇవాళ డేట్కి ఏవి డెలివరీ చేయడానికి లేవు आज की तारीख में कुछ भी डिलीवरी करने के लिए नहीं है so make it to 27 then it will speak the correct response. So if we give the wrong date, see simple when we are going for a shopping, you have been told on so and so date you will get the delivery when you place an order. But if you are asking going to the showroom or calling the showroom before the date scheduled, they simply says, I don't see anything scheduled today, but I see it is scheduled on so and so date. That means you need to wait till that date, right? Understand this logic. So 27th, okay, continue. Now it will take you to the standard order creation, that is delivery screen. Click on picking here. Now, what is the delivery quantity? 1. Because I had taken the reference of my sales order which was placed for one quantity and it is copying one quantity here. First point. And here from where to pick up the base location I got to give. The final location, that is warehouse system, will recognize automatically. So the stock was maintained in this storage location. So watch me here and understand. I am giving the storage location identity. Enter. Delivery quantity is less than minimum delivery quantity 50. Don't consider this as any error. If you all remember long back, what I was doing when I was working on customer material information, I had been given whenever this customer comes, he will buy not less than 50. And it is not must always he should buy 50. He can come for one product also. So it is just a caution. Ignore this. Continue. Now you see here how much to be delivered? One. But picking quantity is how much? Zero. And it is freeze. I cannot even write manually. It should be picked up by system automatically. Delivery quantity is 1, but picking quantity is nil. Okay, remember this. Okay, not yet picked up, transfer order required from the warehouse GR, that is Grasim. This is the plant where the goods are manufactured. This is the storage location. These all are inbuilt now. The mode of picking is lot for truck coming from your materials management. Every information is recognized here, right? Done. Now, WM transfer order required, right? Not yet picked up. Yes, from see, I given the base location where the stock is there, but the picking location should be recognized by system automatically. So the delivery quantity and picking quantity should be equal. To make them both equal, what I should do? I should raise a transfer order. Right? Let's see. Save this because this delivery transaction is base for transfer order. Save it. Done. Back. LT03. Give your warehouse. What should be the warehouse? Say GRW, our made warehouse. GRAP, our made plant. Cross check. GRW. Remember one point, everybody. Your plant settings, storage location settings, warehouse settings, factory calendar settings, all should match correctly. If any area things are not organized properly, you cannot move from here. సో ఈ సెట్టింగ్స్ అన్నీ కరెక్ట్గా ఉండాలా. ఇక్కడ ఈ సెట్టింగ్స్లో ఎక్కడన్నా ఏదైనా తప్పు చేసుంటే ఈ స్క్రీన్ నుంచి ముందుకు వెళ్ళలేరు. रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. ये पूरा रिलेवेंट सेटिंग सही सही बनना है, तब को जाके आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. नहीं तो the screen will get hang up with multiple errors. It will be mess up for you to continue here. See, now watch me. In this screen there is a lot of information. Everything comes automatically. Goods which are manufactured in this plant, maintained as a stock in this storage location, organized as a stock in the external warehouse relevant to this shipping point, and according to this delivery document base, this quantity has been picked up, right? So everything is recognizing here automatically. మనం మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేసిన ప్లాంట్లో ఉన్న స్టాక్ ఏ స్టోరేజ్ లొకేషన్లో మెయింటైన్ చేసింది, ఆ స్టోరేజ్ లొకేషన్ స్టాక్ ఏ వేరోస్ కి కనెక్ట్ అయింది, ఆ వేరోస్ నుంచి స్టాక్ ఎంత పిక్ చేసుకుంది, రిలవెంట్ ఏ డెలివరీ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ షిప్పింగ్ పాయింట్. So it speaks every information, and you can see the screen is in display mode. That means it picked up all the information here, right? If you might have done everything correctly, you get to see this. So ये plant पे manufacture किए सो, ये storage location में organize किए सो, ये warehouse to connect हुए सो, relevant to this delivery document, ये quantity जो है ये shipping point के जरिए pick हो गया सो बता रही है. All right, done. Oh, sorry. Save it. So first transfer order was successfully done. So the goods which got to be deliverable to the customer is been released now. That is released from your warehouse and it is ready for dispatching. Right? So VL02N now. That is, this is the delivery document number, and you can see the delivery quantity and picking quantity is now equal, fully picked up. Automatically it picked up. We just approved from warehouse and it is been ready for dispatching now. Picking is one, delivery is one. Done. Now this is already saved. See, standard order in change mode, that is delivery transaction change mode. Now this to be released, click on post goods issue. Just one click. Your order has been saved successfully. Delivery has been done, but delivery is not been completed. Why? Until the bill is been raised, how can the product hand out to the customer? The product is ready for dispatching, just waiting for the bill clearance. See now, I'm opening the ordering change mode. Okay, item overview. Sorry, it is in create mode. VA02. This is your display document flow. Don't go to the screen, just on the main screen where you get the order number, just click on display document flow view. Done. See, order, since it is not completed, it says being processed. Delivery, yes, being processed. Transfer order, complete. Goods issue, complete. So these both are in still order, created order, releasable order. All are orders only in SAP, remember, as per the latest update. Delivery is also part of the order only. Only transfer and goods issue comes under your internal transportation. Stock picking up from warehouse and stock issue ready for dispatching. So order created to be released. Both are in process. Okay. We'll come back to this again after we raise a bill. VF01 now. Raising a bill. So here it picks up the delivery transaction number automatically since we are doing immediately. Nothing to do here. The billing types was mapped to the order types. So it picks automatically. Just click once to complete the bill raising. Only once. We click twice. In process status, you'll get corrupted message. రెండు బిల్ ఇస్తే తీసుకుంటారా మీరు? తీసుకోం కదా. దో బిల్ దేనే से लेते क्या shopping के वक्त? No. Same logic here. Just click once to save. Just once. So bill is been raised successfully. But here one small point to be noticed. Pricing error. Pricing error or account determination error both mean the same. Until you are connected to the, I mean, until the bill raised here is connected to the finance domain. you'll get this error. See, simple example. Customer, when the sale is happening, when the sales counter is raising the bill, the paid amount should get updated in the finance book, right? So when the paid amount is not getting updated in the finance book, that means there will be error like this. So don't consider this error. That's the reason you can see it is giving in the bracket. When you get a error in the bracket means the connectivity. It is not giving throwing you with a red indicator if you notice here. Bill is raised, but there is a pricing error. Partial error, partial saying. So your purpose is fulfilled, but there is a landing of price amount missing. So ignore this. During the live project, when the entire FI model is configured, they connect their details to the billing document so that the amount paid by the customer will hit the finance. So ignore this. Bill has been raised. Okay. Refresh now. Things may not get refreshed immediately since we are doing continuous transaction. So even though bill is been raised, sometimes if you go back and check the document flow, it may still say being processed. Don't worry, let's see. Display document flow. See here. Your delivery process is complete. Order still being processed. Yes, it will be because the amount this order is being completed. The delivery cycle invoice is also raised, but there is a pricing error of not connecting the price you're responding in the finance book. కస్టమర్ పే చేసింది ఫైనాన్స్ బుక్ లోకి రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదంటే ఇంకా ఆర్డర్ మనకి పెండింగ్ లోనే ఉన్నట్టే కదా. ఇప్పుడు మీరు పే చేసింది నాకు రీచ్ అవ్వలేదంటే మీరు ఇంకా అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ లో ఉన్నట్టే కదా. आप पे किए सो कंपनी का फाइनेंस बुक में अपडेट नहीं हुआ तो वो बीइंग प्रोसेस ही बताएगा. कभी कभार तो कंप्लीट भी बताएगा. सो दिस विल बी बीइंग प्रोसेस बिकॉज ऑर्डर इज नॉट येट कंप्लीटली because amount is not updated in the finance book. Ignore this. Once you see this all complete, then order complete, that is your delivery complete, and invoice is also complete, but there is a pricing error. So you should get this output in this way. Now think now this see this is all about O2C. Customer raised an order, we deliver the product, we raise the invoice. Now if I go back and check the stock, what is that? MB 5E. It should show me the stock release automatically. Continue. See. 10th we posted the stock of one, today we release one. So everything you learned automation. Okay, so people ask for new version updates. Do you have understanding on new versions of SAP? This is the knowledge of new version. Okay, so don't hesitate. You can apply for any requirement. You need to speak the subject skill set what you have. So you need to speak that you have an understanding of automation of setup of O2C in SAP, which speaks of every new dimension output. You have a strong understanding on integrations, FI, MM, PP, WM. You know how to configure the movement types and activate them. You know how to configure the GL accounts and connect it to the sales system. You know how to bring in the stock GR and you know how to do GI. That is, this is what GI and everything in automation. The way you speak, the opposite person understand what is your knowledge. Because when somebody is asking something and if you're searching for words gone, we'll get back to you. This is what you got to listen. We'll get back to you అంటే ఆపర్చునిటీ పోయినట్టు. सामने वाला विल गेट बैक टू यू बोलने से वो अपॉर्चुनिटी आप गवा चुका है. तो प्लीज डोंट रश इन अप्लाइंग. फर्स्ट get the confidence on the subject what you learn, then think for applying. All right, done. So stock release also you could see successfully. Now think this customer who's placed an order, we delivered the product, we raised a bill. Now he got a complaint, some damage. He's coming to the sales counter for returning and getting it replaced. So what we'll do? VA01 debit memo request, create with reference with the billing document. This is the invoice what we made today. It's a copy. Now watch me here, copying from GRF2 to GRDR not supportive. If you all remember long back when I was teaching you all the sales document customizing, I said copy, is this entry also relevant for copy controls? You say always yes, I say. Why? Because the key backup tables with support should extract properly. Alright, remember this point. Sir, I made everything correctly, why it is coming? Even I made everything correctly, why this is coming? Sometimes we made correctly. We may make it correctly, but still it may come. So here remember, when you get such, how to figure it out. So if some key fields or key tables are missing relevant to the document type, it shows relevant to which document types what is missing. So we need to figure it out manually. Copy controls in terms of manually. So it can be between sales document to sales doc, it can be between the sales document to billing type. Process remains same, only the step need to be fixed up. So let's see how to fix up this manually. So come out of the screen, go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, sales and distribution, sales. Now before we go to sales document, here we have manual copy controls for sales document. When you click on this, you will get this message. I mean, you will get this screen. I'm sorry. Is this between the sales document to sales document? Is this between the billing document to sales document? See, for example, GRA1 is my inquiry to GRA2. This is sales document to sales document. If the copying from inquiry to quotation is missing, you need to go with this. It's not like inquiry to quotation, it is like contract to order, anything it can be. Between sales document, this error. What is error we got? GRF2 to GRDR is missing. So this is invoice, this is order. So I need to go with this. So కాపీ అనేది మిస్ అయినప్పుడు ఏ డాక్యుమెంట్ నుంచి ఏ డాక్యుమెంట్ అన్నది కరెక్ట్గా చూడండి. ఆర్డర్ టు ఆర్డర్ టైపా ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్, బిల్లింగ్ టు ఆర్డర్ టైపా సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. कॉपी जब आप नहीं कर पा रहे, I mean system is unable to copy, so please read the error correctly. If it is between the order to order, first copy. If it is invoice to order, the second copy. All right, so I go by second since mine is invoice to order. So here default it is in display mode. First switch to change mode. Done. Click on position, find DR because the destination is target document is DR, source is F2. So from F2 to DR is missing. So DR and F2, select the line, copy it. So here find GRDR. So let me check here. Debit memo request. GRDR. Give it correctly. Anything you give it will accept. GRF2. Okay. Continue. Copy all. So it copies all the key fields which are missing. See, number of dependent entries copied are 203. That means relevant to this particular documents, the key backup tables which supports information exchange 203 was not copied. So this many backup tables was not extracted when we was doing. That is the reason this issue. So I manually figured it out. Save it. సో మనకి ఏ ఎర్రర్ వచ్చినా అది फिक्स చేసుకోవాలి जो भी एरर आए सो उसको फिक्स करना है it may be within your reach or it may be the technical but everything is possible everything can be done it's only time taking or your knowledge okay refresh now va01 create with reference my made invoice type just now it will take you to the order screen here if you see create Grasm debit memo request. I'm in the screen here. But why the customer is coming for return and getting a replacement? Why customer is asking for a replacement returning the existing product? What is the reason? See, you are buying something in Amazon. When you are buying something in Amazon, till the product reach fine, product is reached now. Then you got damaged, you are returning it for replacement. You will definitely ask what is the reason. So reason to be given here. Sir, I'm not given the reason. Okay, I want to save it. Will it allow? No. Would you like to save or edit incompletion document? When I say edit, see reason. Select and complete. So it will take you to the reason here. So the best reason always damage in transit. No questioning. Back. Document is complete. It got the reason approval. Debit memo request is saved 700000044. Now release of it. VA sorry VF01. So this is your debit memo request, that is return and replacement complaint document ID. Just click on save once. So debit memo is been issued. Refresh VA02 now. Document flow. See here. Can you see here? Debit memo is complaint. I mean complete. Debit memo request is complete, but debit memo is open. Yes. So you should get all this in flow. You want to see in flow? See, double click being processed, double click completed, double click, it will give all the details down. Double click. So this is the latest screen layout. You're getting like this. I want to see the flow chart. Select the line and click on details. No, oh, sorry, just a minute. Select the line, click on status overview. It shows all the flow. See, nothing rejected. Right from the day one, how you have seen every content in flowchart of enterprise structure. Here you are seeing every transaction activity in the flowchart structure. When you made, what is the status, everything it will show. So you got to see everything in this format. So మనం చేసినవన్నీ కరెక్ట్గా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతే you get to see the output process like this. Okay, status, it takes some time to get updated. That is VA02 display document flow. I'm talking about this. Transactions are completed. That's the reason you're getting this all in flow. All right. So this is all about the completion of the complete sales cycle operating our made structure, our made company structure crossing. So if you can work on all these, you can say successfully you are updated with every knowledge of the module. Nothing is left out beyond this. And with an extra skill set of cross functionalities, that too setup of integration, you got the knowledge. And that too setup of integration exposure, you could see automation in terms of output. So you know everything now. Only thing is you should be able to speak on it. And the documentation I'm updating on few. Kindly wait. I've not sent to anybody. By tonight or worst condition by this weekend, I'll be sending the documentation to you all. And thanks for your emails. And please wait. I'm going to send the documentation by tonight or in a day or two. Now it's all your turn now. Keep practicing and keep learning. And good luck for your bright future. Whenever you're stucking up anywhere, I shown you all how to solve the issues also. Develop a capability within you, solving the issues by your own. Or else I shown you the search engines, how to go and how to find out the solution. Go in that pattern. At a worse condition, then come to me. Don't come to me directly. Now you all are graduates. That is, you all are good in knowledge. You should be organized on your own way to fix up every issue. That is the challenge you should take from now. Now means I know everything, I understood everything, I learned everything. Now it's me who need to travel this journey. You need to figure out that in your mind. All right, everybody. So good luck, and I'll be sharing the documentation in some time by tonight or by this weekend. Do wait for it and keep working. And thanks for your kind cooperation all these days. Sometimes due to technical issues, sometimes me not available. There was some gap between the session to session. And hope you all are utilize the time for better practice. That's one way is good point when we take things positively. And I see some people express that also in positive way. Thank you for that understanding. And good luck everybody. By today I'm done from my side. Now it's all your turn to move on in the journey what you are traveling. Okay. Thank you everybody.